Hello everyone, my name is Tony and this is my alternative study presentation. So in this presentation, I'm going to present the result of my study in a different way. And the rationale is actually based on poetic thinking. So according to poetic thinking, a researcher should also be an artist. So your work should invite your readers to join the phenomenal world of human experience. So what it means is that a researcher should think like an artist. Your study, your research should like artwork, like painting and drawing, should inspire your readers to think and to interpret your findings and to build a connection with them. So the way I chose to present my study is to use the videos, to make a video to demonstrate a theme that emerged from my data analysis. So first I'm going to introduce a little bit about my research. So my research is about a teaching strategy that I developed that based on a magic performance. So I implemented this method in different classes to say how does this method influence students' creativity. And I got 15 participants that agreed to join the semi-structured interview. So each interview lasts probably 15 minutes. And after the thematic analysis, I got several themes. And there's one theme that really drew my attention. That a lot of my participants told me that by watching magic, they started to think like a child and begin to look at this world from a children's perspective. Here's a quote from one of the participants. So magic makes me feel younger in this class, and I feel like I was back to my elementary school, and we have so much fun, and there's no pressure and no limitation. So this theme is very interesting because according to some creativity studies, and if the adult can think like a child, it means this adult will be more creative. Because if you can think like children, because your mind, you will use your imagination more often, and your mind will, there's no limitation in your mind anymore. So, but for me, I'm not very satisfied with, using quotes to actually demonstrate such experience, because for my readers, they never experienced this method, so they don't know what the magic I demonstrate. So they don't have such experience. There's a very interesting story about it. Almost like 2 weeks ago, I presented my study in a poster session. So this is the poster I created. And because my topic is very interesting, so it drew a lot of attention. But after I introducing my topic, my method, and my findings, I realized people didn't talk it too much. It's not so using posters is not so effective to get them talk. But interestingly, I show them magic. So and it's got them to talk, and they started to talk more about the themes. I don't know why, but it's so effective. So I'm thinking, why not, to just make a video about the magic I showed in the class, and so as to give my audience a sense of what the magic I showed, or what do I mean by seeing magic. So, so here it is, and
here we got a feather. So, is there any way we can make the feather fly by itself? Sure, yeah, of course. If you believe in magic, everything is gonna become possible. Watch. Put the feather here.
So yeah, here's the video I made. I hope you enjoy it. And so my expectation is that after watching this video, so my audience is going to form a deeper understanding of the theme emerged, especially about why magic influenced my participant to think like a child. Because, magic demonstrates a very magical movement that is different with our traditional thinking, is different from the reality that we believed. So, this kind of like inspire my participants to think maybe everything is possible if you believe in magic. Okay, so with magic we can turn everything from impossible into possible. So, and also second thing is that I want to send an invitation to people and make them realize the value of magic, the possible influence of magic on people's thinking and on people's behavior. I wanted them to feel that. So I hope by watching the video you got something, it got you something to think. But here's my question. Because right now we use a very creative way to demonstrate the findings. Okay, we can call ourselves as a creative researcher. But, for publication purpose, some journals actually require us to think logically or scientifically. And probably they do not prefer, this creative way of presenting our findings. So if you do it in this way, probably your manuscript is going to be refused immediately by them. So how to make a balance? Is there any way we can publish our creative product, somewhere? I don't know. So what do you think? So thank you for watching my video, and thank you for watching my presentation. And I hope you got something. It gets you something to think. And feel free to leave any comments. I really appreciate that. All right. Bye.